Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that arises when defining the type hint for a generator in Python. The problem we have is that we have a generator that does not use send values, and we need to decide whether to type its send underscore value as any or none. Now, diving into the solution, according to the Python typing documentation, it's recommended to set the send type to none when the generator does not expect calls to send values. This is the best way to communicate that the generator is not designed to receive values via send. An example provided shows how to define a generator with send type and return type set to none, clearly indicating that no values are expected to be sent to the generator. In summary, when dealing with a generator that does not utilize send values, it's best practice to set the send type to none. This helps convey to users of the generator that sending values is not part of its intended functionality. So, next time you encounter a similar situation, remember to use none for the send underscore value type hint. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time for more Python tips and tricks.